Hey, everybody, this is George with a 1 minute point of view. I read last night in Automotive News, Richard Truitt's good column about Jerry McGovern at Jaguar Land Rover and his mission to reinvent the Jaguar brand on an all-electric vehicle basis. And I thought, well, that's interesting. What an opportunity for a designer, a little more freedom, but what should he do? So this is my 1 minute point of view on what Jerry McGovern should do. Jaguar, of course, is a low, sleek, elegant car company. A C-Type from the 50s is a great example of what Jaguar's all about. Long and lean, low and sleek, looks fast, standing still. D-Type, of course, to go through the alphabet, carries on the tradition, and then ultimately the E-Type of the 60s that we're all familiar with. Again, long, low, and sleek. As we get into the future, vehicles like the F-Type, we have to deal with all kinds of constraints and safety issues, one of those being a big engine in the front. So when you don't have that engine in the front, what can you do? I think you have lots and lots of freedom. So I think that's great for Jerry. Here's an interesting example of a UK car company called Watt Electric Vehicles and their 1955 Porsche 356 on a passenger EV skateboard chassis. So this is the kind of thing you can do. You can put a chassis together that has a long, low, and sleek body on it. So my point of view about what should Jerry McGovern do is pretty simple. He should reinvent this car, the XJ13 from 1966, which is as low, long, and sleek as you can possibly get for a Jaguar. And I think this would be fabulous. Thanks for listening.